Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain what is package in Java, how many types of packages are there in Java, how to create a user defined package and how to import the package. So first coming to package. What is package? Package is nothing but a group of classes, interfaces and sub packages. So in Java, we have a two types of packages are there. One is built-in package and the second one is user-defined packages. So coming to the built-in package. Built-in package is nothing but a the packages which are provided by the Java is nothing but a built-in package. So in built-in package we have a different types of packages. For example, java.lang and java.io, java.util. So coming to java.lang, here Java is nothing but a super package and lang is nothing but a sub package. Here also Java is nothing but a super package, IO is the sub package of Java. Here also util is the sub package of Java. Coming to the java.lang package. So in java.lang package also it has some classes. So for example, system is class of java.lang package and string, mass and thread. All these classes are derived from java.lang package. Coming to the java.io package. So in this IO package we have a different classes are there. For example, file input stream, file output stream. Coming to the java.util package. In this util package, we have a different derived classes. For example, array list, linked list, scanner, and map, hash table, all are derived from util package. So then coming to the user defined packages. So user defined package is nothing but a the package which is defined by the user is nothing but a user defined package. For example, we have a com.java basics and com.my package. So here in com.java basic project package we have a class called employee. So here com.mypack under mypack we have a class called customer. Now how to create a package? So we can use package keyword to create the package com.java.java basics. So this is my package name. This package keyword is used to create the user defined package. How to import the package? So we can use import keyword to import the package. So com.java.javabasics.star. That means it can allow all the class and interfaces we can access from this package. Now I am going to show you how to create a user defined package. So this is my project Java Basics. Under Java Basics we have a folder called Java Resources. Under Java Resources we have a folder called SRC. Under SRC we have a package com.java.javabasics. Now I am going to create the package. Just select SRC folder, select the package. So here I am going to create the package com.java.mypack. So this is my package name. I am going to create the package under SRC folder. Just select the finish button. Now the package is created com.java.mypack. I am going to create the one class. So the class name is employee. So I am selecting the main method. So here we can see the package is created. So package. So package is a keyword. Here this is my package name com.java.mypack. So under this package we have a class called employee. So just remove this comments. Now I want to import the this package com.java.javabasics because I want to access add numbers class and I want to call this add method in my package. So now I am going to import the package. Import com.java.java basics. So here I am going to write the name of the class. So add numbers. So here I am going to create the object of add number classes. So this is my object. So I am going to call the add method here. So here I am passing the 20 and 40 as a parameter. Now I am going to run the program. So whenever I run this program, this add method is calling from add numbers class of Java Basics. So it is there in some other package. So add number class. Now I am going to run. Right click, run as Java application. Now we can see the 60 as a result. So 20 plus 40 equal to 60. So this is nothing but a how to import a user defined package. Now I am going to show you how to import a predefined package. I am importing java.util package. So this is nothing but a predefined package which is provided by the Java. So I want to use this package. For use this package, I am creating the list object, list L equal to new array list. So here, so here I am adding the data to the list. I am adding two string data, Java basics, and list dot add of. I am adding Java. So just I am adding. So here I am going to print the system.out.println. Sorry, .println. I want to print the list data. So run as Java application. Here we can see that we are printing the list data. So this is nothing but a predefined package which is provided by the Java. So friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.